Okay, so we've had a bit of a week of weather here in the UK, even down here in Devon. we had snow for 2 days, and after day 2, the temperature was about 2 degrees at night time. Woke up the next morning to about 12 degrees, 12, 13 degrees. And Storm Bert. So Storm Bert, we've had Storm Bert for the past 2 days. We've had torrential rain. The rain has died down a bit and the wind's died down a bit as the storms moved through. But I'm just coming up to the plot to see if there's been any damage or see what damage has been done. And at the gates, and I can see right away there's been stuff blown over from the building sites. I can see, I think it's insulation or something like that. Excuse me. But also I can see the waters. I've never seen the water this high before, the puddle at the main gate. So let me swing the camera around and I'll show you what's what. So there's been quite a bit of polystyrene that's been blown over. Look, I've had to reverse the car up because there's not enough room to get the car in and me to get out without getting my feet wet. Won't be so bad on the way back because I'll be able to get my wellies out shit. Bear with me for a minute while I get this. Okay. Okay, that's that secure. But yeah, the water, well, all the way up to there, basically. So let's see how the car gets through this. Well, the other reason I'm up here as well is because I want to get a little bit of veg for dinner. So, oh wow. Actually, I might go out by the top gate. I've never seen it this deep. Water's all getting. Yeah, out through the top gate, I think. As you can see, there's been a few big slabs of polystyrene insulation been blown over. And the gate, oh, look at that fence. I don't think I'm going to get through here. Oh yeah, I can just about squeeze past. You know, on the way up here, the streets are just covered with leaves. All the leaves have been blown off the trees, and a few branches are down. But that's about it. And here we are. let's have a look. Well, shed's still here. There's not much damage. Well, there's not an awful lot. Finally, my elephant garlic has started to make an appearance. Although normal garlic came up ages ago. There's a few things been blown around, but that's not a big deal. So I'm going to grab a leek, and I'm going to grab a parsnip and some carrots. These are the parsnips. Don't be fooled. This is normally what happens, especially after a frost. All the leaves die back, and the tubers are fine under the ground. And what happens is come the spring next year, the tubers will start growing again because they're a biannual. So they've been in the ground for best part of a year. Come the spring, that'll be 1 year, and it'll start growing again, and it'll put up leaves again. And if I leave them in the ground for any length of time after that, what will happen is they'll produce a flower spike and go to seed. But I'll be picking them up all before then. Just let me get my camera tripod. Be back in a minute. Okay, I'm not going to hang around too long because the camera's just getting wet. But let's get the first parsnip of the year out. I'll go for this one. Oh, God, it's deep. Push down, twist, and there it comes. That's not bad. See if I can just give it a quick wash. There we go. And there you go, first parsnip of the year, and it's in quite good condition, no canker or anything like that. So yeah, that's good. Carrots, I want to get some carrots now as well. So let's take a walk up here. I haven't been up to the plot for, I don't know, almost a month. There's not an awful lot to do this time of year, and if the weather's horrible then. Oh, look at that, someone's been chewing at that one. There's a yellow one. I've had a couple of yellow ones out of this bed. Oh, that's a small one. I think the rabbits at home can get that. Anything over here? That should do it. Nice bunch of carrots. Put them with the parsnip. And I want a leek. So never be tempted to just pull a leek out the ground. Always dig it out. Because what happens is you end up damaging it, because the roots are quite strong. And there's the top of my not my compost bin, my water butt. Take this one. And there you go. That's a nice leek. Not a huge leek, but a nice leek. That'll come in handy. I'll get that next time I'm up. So yeah, there's no damage. Most of everything's where it should be. So yeah, that's it. It's just a quick one today. Just came up to see if there was any damage, because there has been some reports of some damage to some of the sheds, but mine is okay. I can see a huge piece of polystyrene over there by my water tank. But yeah, I'm not going to go back through the flooded path. I'll go out the top. So I'm going to sign off for now. I'll keep the camera rolling so you can see a few of the top allotments, but there's not much going on at this time of the year. But thanks for both. You can see all the polystyrene being blown against the perimeter wall. Right, not going back that way, we'll go up the way. Yeah, it's been non-stop this rain for almost 48 hours. But oh, look at the damage, that shed's gone. That shed's been blown over. No, it's all the contents, it was in the shed. That shed's had its door blown open. Let me just wind down the window. There's a polytunnel there that's been collapsed. Oh, that's a shame. The woman that works on that site, she's done a hell of a lot of work in the past year. Oh, that is a shame. I don't think the fabric was up on that one. But, yeah, that shed's been blown over. Let's take a drive up. This is the Loyalist plot. Nothing really to damage on there. All the beds are shut over for the winter. She's got a couple of nice cabbages there. So, yeah, if you see this Delilah, you've got a couple of nice cabbages. I mean, these allotments, there are quite a lot. It's quite a big plot, this. It's got the biggest ones in next to it. We do have got a massive one down near where I stay. Unfortunately, I don't have a plot on it, so I've got to drive here. But it's absolutely huge. Oops, someone else has come up on the motorbike. Oh, the doors come off this one. And the roof. So, I can see a couple of water butts being blown over, they must have been empty. Oh, that's a big shed. That's new, I haven't seen that before. And these plots go all the way up to the church, I think it's St James's Church. This area of Exeter down this way is called St James, and that's where the football ground is, St James's Park. It's rather bumpy, this bit of the path, but at least there's no puddles here. That's been damaged. Look how it's all bent. And that's it. So I'm going to put the camera down now, and I'm definitely going this time. I just need to open that gate. So thanks if you've reached this far, thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you all again in the next one.